Why am I interested in the book of Acts? I recall my first study of the book of Acts when I was a college student years ago, and I'm intrigued by Luke, the person who decided to sit down and write the story of Jesus in the Gospel of Luke, and then the continuation of that story in the book of Acts, because it must have mattered to him to write that much about this historic person, the Savior, Jesus Christ. As I think about my personal faith, I'm concerned to believe what's true. And as I see Luke in his writing, he's interested in what's true as well. He says, I've researched these things diligently. And out of all of his research, he's picked these things to record for me because he thinks these are going to be a challenging, helpful thing for me in my faith in Jesus Christ. That's why I've been excited about studying Luke's writings in the Gospel of Luke, in the book of Acts, and some of that passion, I think, is coming out in this textbook on the Acts of the Apostles. If you want your students to share that kind of passion, then I'd invite you to make use of this textbook.